Hello, we're going to do a walk around demonstration on this 2015 Dodge Grand Caravan. I'll point out any items that I address as we walk around. The vehicle overall is in good shape. This is the new body style. Came out in 2008 with refresh in 13 and 15. Nice steel skirts along here. That way if you scrape or anything, it's not going to break plastic up. The vehicle has some little scratches here. Tires are good on this one. This is the Eldorado conversion on here. So it's a nice manual ramp system, and I'll show you how that works here. So unlock the vehicle, and you have a manual door on the ramp side here. That ramp sits next to the door. So then we just pull this out. And then there's a handle right here. You can lift it up as well. So you can see there's a chain and spring assist there to help it fold up. Nice wide 30-inch wide ramp. So you'll be able to roll power manual chair right up into there. Once inside, they modified that rear seat system here. You got 3 seats and seat belts. You can have 3 passengers back there with 2 passengers up front. This seat base here removes, so all of that just releases with that little pedal there. This has an interlock system here, so you can't you can't put the car into drive when the ramp is out. It's a safety feature, so you don't accidentally forget to do that. This has the radio CD player up here, and then 2-zone climate control. Around here you have the trunk. They've modified this so they can get a spare tire in here. And then you have the straps for the wheelchair right there. So overall, pretty clean, straightforward vehicle. Let us know if you have any questions. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching today.